Meaning of foreknowledge.
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 Foreknowledge. Foreknowledge refers to knowledge or awareness of a future event before it happens. It is often associated with predictions or prophecies that are believed to be divinely inspired or based on supernatural insight. The possession of foreknowledge can give an individual an advantage in navigating life's challenges and making decisions, but it can also create anxiety and uncertainty about the future. For some, foreknowledge represents a comforting belief in a higher power or divine purpose, while for others it is a source of skepticism or disbelief.